great product from the Bids web shop, these little plastic bags which can be used for actually putting samples of the metal polish or the soap powder in if the warm marketing customers. Also, I don't know if you've seen this in the Bids web shop as well, labels with pictures on, so you can actually sort of, when you're handing out samples, the customers have got something to actually remember your name by, your web address and your telephone number. So again, remember the tuppences and the pennies. If you do clean quite a few of them just halfway around, so it's really shiny on one side and dirty on the other, and then you can just give a sample to the customers, very tiny little bit of each, so they can actually go in and try it. Obviously with your name on there, you're going to get the repeat orders, and guess what, if you go back to deliver something else, it gives you an opportunity to actually give them another catalogue where they can buy something else, or you can point out some other very consumable product which you can use again. The Clean Easy soap powder is amazing. You'll see the demonstration of it below as another great example you can do on the soap powder. Everybody should be using this. You get 21% off yourself at least, although most people are way past that bonus level. It's very concentrated, so you don't have to use much of it. So it's very, very good value for money, and obviously very consumable. So if you get some customers on that that's got quite a few in their family, it gets used a lot. And if people have some commercial places signed up, we had somebody who used to own a boarding kennels, and their washing machines are going virtually non-stop, so obviously it goes through a lot of them products, so it leaves you a bit to the imagination what you can do with that. So basically you just get on the little soap powder thing, plastic bag, which I think $1.79 for 100 from the Bids web shop, and then you just put a sample in out of the tub. So I'll just actually do that, because I kind of do it all with one hand, so I'll just do that, show you what it looks like in the container. For the metal polish, all you need is a tiny little bit out the end, and then you just put it in. There's the other one which I've actually done. Got the picture on there, and just a little bit of soap powder there. Enough to do a demonstration. Best one to do is get a really dirty cup with loads of stains on. Just put a bit of soap powder in, some warm water out the tap's good enough. Leave it for a little while, give it a stir, and it'll come absolutely amazingly white, and that's what it does to your washing as well. There's a small sample of metal polish in there, and remember just to stick a little label on so they remember your face, and you've got the contact details. They'll demonstrate that and show it to some of their friends and families, and guess who they'll come back to for the order.